Hi, I'm Crystal with Azalea's Garden. Welcome back to another video. I hope you can hear me okay. There's a lot of wind going on. I live in a pretty busy community, so if you hear a lot of noise, that's where it's coming from. So this is the state in which my front porch pot looks like. We were gone for 3 weeks. Nothing got watered. This is what survived. It's time to refresh it. I still have my Christmas up, as you can see. So let's do a front porch refresh. These have spider mites, so they will be going in the trash. With a little fresh soil. I love how it turned out. We have coleus. It's big, beautiful. I always forget what this one's called, so let me know in the comments because I forget. We have some yellow marigolds. This one's not looking too hot. A pink kalanchoe and 2 purple petunias. Very springish, but that's what it's like here in Hawaii to be able to plant these things. It is like 80 degrees or something. So unfortunately, I forgot I threw away my mat. So I'm gonna have to go and get another one. Something fresh, clean. Let's finish cleaning up this porch because it is, I don't know if you can see it, but it does need a good cleaning and I need to put up my wreath. Here is my front porch finished-ish project. Like I said, I still need to get a new welcome. I did decide to bring out this monster. It has needed more sun, so she's gonna live out here for a minute. I'm gonna water her real nice and probably repot. She'll come back to life. Alright you guys, that is it for today's video. The sun is like right in my face. I hope you enjoyed a little bit of spring because I know it's really cold in the mainland for the most part. And here in Hawaii, we just get to enjoy this really nice warm weather all year long. So hope it inspired you to start your spring off. Alright you guys, I'll see you in the next video.